Gender role attitudes are an important aspect of gender socialization and gender identity development and have a complex relationship with health and well-being. Within many Latina cultures, the gender of machismo emphasizes that Latino males take a larger role in activities outside of the family, such as work and sports. In contrast, Latinas are expected to fulfill the gender norm of Marianismo, which emphasizes the centrality of family, such as being home-centered and partaking in caretaking activities. Marianismo is made up of 5 main pillars. The family pillar emphasizes a woman's role in maintaining dedication to family and family cohesion. The virtuous pillar describes how a Latina is expected to respect her body and maintain her virginity until marriage. The subordinate to others pillar reflects the belief that Latinas should show obedience and respect for the Latino family structure. The self-silencing to maintain harmony pillar describes the belief that Latinas should keep confrontation and discomfort to a minimum within interpersonal relationships. And the spiritual pillar describes the belief that Latinas should be the spiritual leader of the family. Certain pillars of Marianismo are theorized to reflect positive and negative aspects of gender role expectations.